Creating charts in Google Spreadsheets is a great way to visualize data and highlight important metrics. So for instance, if we wanted to see the results of this data here of this past summer's Summer Olympics medals, we could create a chart that will visually show the important metrics herein. To do so, we highlight the data, click Insert, choose Chart, and then the Chart Editor menu comes up. Now it first displays a chart that it thinks will be best at displaying your data, and as we'll see here, we have a bar chart. Now you can play around with this and choose other types of charts that are recommended, such as the column chart here, which shows us pretty well the number of medals each country won in this last year's Olympics, from highest to lowest by total. Now you can also choose here to switch rows and columns so that we can have the key be our x-axis and back and forth. We could have headers chosen or not, and it's best usually to do so, especially when headers are highlighted in your data. Now you can also click Charts up here and choose from any number of types of charts to display your data. For instance, we could choose another type of column graph, and here this actually shows us pretty well the different types of medals each person or each team won, as well as the total. Now you can play around with this to choose the different types of charts and graphs that you think best represents your data. You can also choose the Customize tab and then edit your chart title, your axes, change the colors on different parts of your graph, and edit other options. In the exercise following this video, you should play around with all the different types of charts and graphs and the options therein on the chart editor when creating your graph. Once you hit Insert, a chart pops up and hovers above the spreadsheet in the background. When you edit the data, the chart automatically will update as it continues to reference the cells that you highlighted originally. Once you create your chart, you can also click the drop-down menu in the top right and go back to Advanced Edit to change the options that you originally selected for your chart.